On this beautiful day today, I will complete a triple test of Neo 2 and Mini 5 Pro doing follow. I will record them from above and on the ground, and this is the gear I'm going to use. Just open the backpack and I'll take out a helipad. Like this. We'll be using the Air 3S from above, and in this handy package here, I can show you, I have the Neo, I have the Neo 2, and I use Canon EOS R with a wide lens. In addition to that, I will also use Action 6. Yeah, it's easy to see like this. And I will use Mic 3, Mic Mini, and here of course is Mini 5 Pro. I will use the RC Pro 2 for the Air 3S. I will use this RC2 for the Neo 2, and to just get it out, I will use this RC2 for the Mini 5 Pro, and for the Neo I will use my phone simply. Now I will just set up a little bit of gear and then continue filming. I did record how I did the preparations and setup, but I've created that as a separate video, otherwise I think this video will be too long. So we'll go directly onto the comparison. Okay, let's see then. Do they all follow? Yeah, that's super. That's so exciting. So what about if I turn? How good are they? They should follow me from behind. Low sun, I hope that won't disturb anything. What if I move a bit faster? Which other drones will mess up the most? Which other drones will mess up the most? Okay, it seems like... Okay, now all of them have chosen to go on the side of me. That was not the intention. Let's see. Go slow then. Let's see if all of them are more or less lined up. Yes. And what I'll do now, I go more or less a straight line, just to compare the video quality on each of them. will do a turn here. Just have to make sure that I have room enough